Greetings everyone. Myself Yash Bansal and today I will be explaining you triangles chapter 7 of maths. First understand properties of triangles. SAS side and side. SAS side angle side. ASA angle side angle. AAS angle side. SSA side angle. RHS right angle hypotenuse side. CPCT corresponding parts of congruent triangle. SAS side triangles or SAS triangles are two triangles that have corresponding sides of the same size. Once you find that two triangles are SSS triangles, then you can find out a lot more information about those triangles, like the measurements of the triangles. SAS. SAS when we know two sides and the one angle between them. To solve an SAS triangle, use the law of consonance to calculate the unknown side, then use the law of sines and find the smaller of the other two angles, and then use the three angles at to 180 degree to find the last angle. ASA. The letters ASA stand for angle side angle, means a triangle which with two sides known triangles and one length of one side between two angles. When we have this much information, we can figure out the remaining angles and length of the other two sides. RHS, often referred to as RHS rules, the right hypotenuse side. Rule is only applicable to right angle triangles if the hypotenuse and one other side of a first right angle triangle are equal to the hypotenuse and corresponding side of the second right angle triangle. Then the two angles are congruent. CPCT. The abbreviation of CPCT is corresponding parts of congruent triangles. This theorem states that if we take two or more triangles which are congruent to each other, then the corresponding angles and the sides of the triangles are also congruent to each other. That is, their corresponding parts are equal to each other. Types of triangles. There are 7 types of triangles. They are equilateral triangle, right isosceles triangle, obtuse isosceles triangle, acute isosceles triangle, right scaling triangle, obtuse scaling triangle, and acute scaling triangle. Equilateral triangle. In geometry, an equilateral triangle is a triangle in which all three sides are equal. Right isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle is a right angled that consists of two equal length legs. Obtuse isosceles triangle. An obtuse isosceles triangle is a triangle that has one obtuse angle, meaning an angle is a greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. An isosceles triangle is a triangle that has at least two equal sides. Acute isosceles triangle. An acute isosceles triangle are the triangles with all their internal angles being acute angles, the only two sides equal to each other in length. Right scaling triangle. A right scaling triangle is scaling if all three sides are a different length, such as with sides 3, 4, and 5. Obtuse scaling triangle. An obtuse triangle is a triangle that has an obtuse angle. An obtuse angle is one of that measure greater than 90 degrees. Acute scaling triangle. An acute angle or acute scaling triangle is one of that has interior angle greater than less than 90 degrees. Thank you.